Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to fix high CPU usage in Google Chrome on Windows so your computer runs cooler, faster, and quieter. First, open Chrome settings. On the left side, click Performance. First, turn on Memory Saver. This reduces CPU and RAM usage by putting inactive tabs to sleep. Now scroll down to the System section. Turn off Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This stops Chrome from using CPU even when you're not using it. Next, let's check extensions. Click the three dots again. Go to Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. Look for extensions you don't recognize or don't need. Click Remove or toggle them off. Extensions are one of the biggest causes of high CPU usage. Now, check which tabs are using the most power. Press Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. This opens Chrome Task Manager. Click the CPU column to sort by usage. Select any tab or extension using too much CPU, then click End Process. This immediately frees up system resources. Finally, restart Chrome. Close all Chrome windows, then open it again. This clears stuck processes. After this, Chrome should use much less CPU. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.